Radio. Mike, you got me?
You're on.
All right, we're on. All right, so you guys, some of you have heard me talk about, if you want to know what it feels like when your horse is triggered, stacked at the top of the sympathetic nervous system, this, my friends, is a phenomenal way for you to experience what your horse feels like under pressure when they're triggered and cautious. So we're going to jump in this ice bath, and I'm going to try my damnedest to repeat the ABCs as soon as I get in. I've never done that before. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do, but we're just going to go. And when I get my shit together, the ABCs will start to flow. So we're just going to go to that. All right, ready?
You got this.
Play me, my man.
You got this, baby. Let's go.
Woo!
Hold
A,
it.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, frequency! Woo!
Who's live? Hey Wes, who's in control? Tammy's in control. You got this, man.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Calm in the chaos. Management. This is self-regulation. Whew. Those first 30 seconds were tough. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Once you manage, once you find the self-regulation, and you're able to turn off the mind chatter and just be and just feel, just be. Such a euphoric peace. It's such a quiet place. Man, those first 30 seconds, like the first ABCs that I did, like that was panic ABCs, right? You heard me, you could hear my voice. I was just like trying to get them out. But now finding this calmness, this is self-regulation. This is what your horse can feel when you guys build a partnership and you build a connection. You can have this quietness together, under pressure. Wow. Wow. Where are we at on time?
Almost 3 minutes.
Almost 3 minutes. All right. 3 minutes feels like a good number for me right here.
3 minutes is like right in there.
3 minutes is now. Damn, that felt good. Man.
Whose life is it?
Woo! Yeah. Let's get my frog going. Here we go. Whew.